Hi, this is Rue Solutions, and today we are going to be looking at the iOS accessibility tool for vision, reduce motion. And so this one's pretty straightforward, so I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. You're going to open your settings, you're going to scroll down to General, then you'll click Accessibility, and we'll be up here in the Vision accessibility tools, and it's second from the bottom. And this reduce motion page, so before I actually activate that, I'm going to show you the motion that it's talking about. So I'm going to hit the home button real quick and watch how the screen that is currently showing gets sent into the settings app in the top right. Did you see that? So I'm going to go back to settings and watch how it pops out. So there's a lot of motion going on there on the screen. And then if I double click the home button, everything is pulled from the left of the screen to the center of the screen. And so I'll try that again. You see that? Okay, so now I'm actually going to go to reduce motion and click the toggle button. And so now it's on. And now watch as I click the home button once. See how it just fades? And now I'll go back to the settings and it fades back in, and so it's a lot simpler. And now I'll double click the home button and it just appears. Click the home button, disappears. So there's just a lot less motion. And then you have the auto play message effects toggle button here, and all that does is if you don't know, in iMessage you can actually send messages with effects on them. And so if it's somebody's birthday, you can send a message that pops out balloons or confetti or something automatically. But if you have autoplay message effects turned off, then instead of that playing automatically, you will have a little button that will allow you to play it at your own convenience. And so yeah, this is just how you reduce motion in the iOS for iPhone. And so this has been a Rue Solutions video. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.